Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. Thank you so much for joining me today. For today's video, I just want to give you a tip. I have not done tips in a long time, and I just want to share a design tip about the vinyl backdrop. I would like to apologize for my not posting a lot of videos because I'm trying to finish out the school year. I'm an elementary school teacher, for those of you who do not know. And I just got one more day to go, and then I'm starting to get like bookings with events. So I will definitely be showing you some videos of my setups coming up soon. For the vinyl backdrop, my tip, first let's deal with size. Most of those backdrops, they come in like 7 feet by 5 feet. So 7 feet wide, and then the height is 5 feet tall. So that size is perfect for behind a dessert table. And I'm gonna insert a picture so you can see. Now, if you wanna use it as a photo backdrop, you want to make sure you get the one that's at least 8 feet tall. And I'm also gonna show you an image of how that one looks. So, 7 feet by 5 feet is perfect for like a dessert table, cake table. But for pictures, you want to do 8 feet by 8 feet, or at least making sure the height is at 8 feet. Now, I have taken the 7 feet by 5 feet vinyl backdrop, and I put drapes behind it to kind of like make up for the shortness of it. So like if you do get the 7 feet by 5 feet, you want to put draping behind it, or drapes behind it, to increase the length, the height of your backdrop. Now, the next thing that I want to share with you is how to prepare it for an event. So you want to make sure that you flip it over and you steam it from the back. So as you can see in this clip, I'm steaming it from the back. And then another tip that I want to add is that once you have it all steamed, you can go, I got this PVC, this large PVC pipe from Lowe's, and I had it cut. I think I had it cut at like 7 feet tall. And then you can roll it up, and that way you can keep the wrinkles out. And so when you set it up at your event, you don't have to worry about wrinkles. Okay, so I know I said a lot. So the first thing, you want to make sure you get the right length for your vinyl backdrop. Preferably 7 feet by 5 feet is going to be for your dessert table, cake table. And then for your pictures, you want to get it at least 8 feet tall. Customers sometimes will go for that 7 feet by 5 feet because it's cheaper. But you want to encourage them, if they want to use it for pictures, to get the taller one. And then also how to get rid of those wrinkles. Make sure you get those creases out, flip it over and steam it from the back, and then get you a large PVC pipe to wrap it up in. So I just hope this tip was useful for you. Please let me know in the comments below. And I'm going to try to bring more tips, and then I have a lot of setup videos coming for you. Okay, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I thank you so much for joining me today. Until I see you next time, bye.